Annealing, the type of steel heat treatment. The steel is heated to around 850 to 950 degrees Celsius and then is cooled slowly, either in a furnace or in an insulated space. Softer, more ductile steel that in the normalized condition is produced. Annunciation, an audible signal indicating a condition or system state, usually of an emergency or abnormal nature. Anode, positive terminal of an electrolytic cell at which corrosion occurs, a piece of metal fixed to steel to provide cathodic protection. Anti-exposure suit. Anti-exposure suits are similar to immersion suits, but there are a few differences. They must provide at least 70 newtons of buoyancy and be made of material that reduces the risk of heat stress during rescue and evacuation operations. Anti-exposure suits are provided with a life jacket light and whistle and must be capable of turning a person in the water from face down to face up in not more than 5 seconds. Anti-fouling paint, a paint containing agents for preventing the adhesion and growth of organisms on the hull. Anti-fouling system, a coating, paint, surface treatment or device that is used on a ship to control or to prevent the attachment of unwanted organisms. Anti-heeling systems. During loading and discharging, the ship's heel has to be kept to minimum to avoid jamming of containers in cell guides, twisting of ramps, or damage of rolling cargo. Anti-heeling systems are pump or air blower activated systems developed to compensate ship's heel. Anti-lift bolt, a device, like a cleat, which prevents a hatch cover from lifting up. Anti-polishing ring, a ring installed in the upper end of the cylinder in order to remove deposits from the piston top land and ensure proper cylinder function, no bore polishing, stable lube oil consumption, and low wear of the liner. Anti-rack spacer stowage system. The containers are connected longitudinally with so-called anti-racking spacers, thus creating one 40-foot container out of two 20-foot ones. This system avoids all side supporting, and there are no foundations or rails in the longitudinal bulkheads. Anti-roll tanks, tank stabilizers, transverse tanks installed at suitable height and distance from the ship centerline in order to generate anti-rolling forces by phased flow of large volume of liquid. Fluid transfer may be done by open flume or from and to wing tanks connected by cross ducts. Passive anti-roll tanks require large volumes of liquid in order to absorb a significant amount of roll energy. There are two general types of passive anti-roll tanks, the free surface tank and U-tube tank. Appendages, the portions of a vessel extending beyond the main hull outline, including such items as rudder, propellers, struts, shafts, shaft bossings, sonar domes, and bilge keels.